last year was a big transition in terms of culture. How do you feel about it?
A lovely change in culture. It's such a massive thing for a company to go from where we were to where we are today, and then also bringing in a fresh brand, a fresh perspective. So and seeing that change within the team members has been massive. So it's been not only just talking about the change that we want to create within the company, it's also about really seeing that, seeing the feedback from the team members saying, you know, they're really excited about Evara, they're really excited about where we are going in the services, and they are in a positive place, they're in a healthy place. And it's great to see that change for me.
Yes, there's been a lot of work in the company values as well. We are now talking about climb, about getting to new heights, about collaboration, about caring. Do you feel that the team currently actually cares about the brand? As Carly was saying, we did a big shift from IFT to Evara, and you've also seen a change in perspective from the team, right?
That's exactly it, yeah. We've seen a massive change in the perspective of the team members. They are more engaged, they are proud to be part of Evara, they want to engage with our clients, they want to embody our values that we have. And that's something massive. So it's not just this piece of paper values that we have lying around in the office. They are embodying it. And when we speak to them individually in our one-to-ones about, you know, what resonates with you, they are speaking back and saying, you know, these values really resonates with me. It's something that I feel I have to do on a consistent basis. And it's fantastic to see that, right? So we're not just forcing this on them, they're embodying it.
Definitely. And one thing that we're always fostering is curiosity.
Yeah.
I do think that's the most important aspect of a professional nowadays.
100%. And in such a fast-paced environment as well, you know, curiosity has to be there. We've got AI coming in, which I know is a big topic for you, and we have to stay curious about these things. And even in the HubSpot space, they're moving at such a quick pace, releasing features all the time. And you have to have a curious mind. You have to think, how are these things? How can we do these things better? How can we, you know, look at the data in a different way? Having that curious mind is a very important one.
Creating the culture around curiosity and trying to instill like learning and encouraging it within our meetings, and having like this time where the team can talk about what they've learned and what they've seen in the industry, and time to demo a bit of what they've tried out. So that's always exciting. And then they get cheers from the rest of the team and are encouraged and spurred on.
Yeah, so that curiosity is turning into them actually testing out different things, trying new things and saying if it works. And a lot of the times, you know, we're seeing these fantastic tools Nick, for example, is coming up with, or a cool workflow that Patrick has tried out, or connecting that with AI. So they're not afraid to try these new things and bring them back to the table and say, look at what I've done.
It's all very well like reading a blog post, but if you're not putting it into action, you're not trying it, it's not going to go anywhere, because then you can say you've done it yourself. And so I think that's been an important part of having like authority into like client meetings where our team are doing it. They are trying the new things through one of those values.
Yeah.
Yes, and I do think we have a great mix of professionals. We have experts in RevOps, CRO, UX UI, SEO.
Yeah.
We have HubSpot implementation specialist, Salesforce implementation specialist. It's really, really interesting to have this mix of professionals
around the world.
Around the world.
Around the world.
Yeah.
Which
also,
is amazing.
Something that I wanted to mention is how we've created this culture remotely. This is definitely a challenge.
Definitely a challenge, yeah. Definitely a challenge, but one that I think we've overcome by creating important meetings, creating structure within the team, having dedicated sessions where we are interacting with each other, but then also having meetups like this, you know, which is fantastic to break that digital barrier. I think it's been a very, very good thing for the team. It's going to make a big impact.
And ensuring connectivity. So we try to stay connected as much as we can through Slack and you know, fun initiatives, appreciation. We try to foster that culture of appreciation. So we always want to ensure that our team is seen and noticed and then appreciated.
Definitely. about that the recognition program, right? That we started. What do you think was the impact in the team?
Oh yeah, just people like to hear that they've done a good job. At the end of the day, I think no one wants to just work and work and work and not ever get celebrated for what they've done. And I think creating those moments of celebration within the team, it's super important, so that other team members can also see what you're doing. Because, like you said, we are remote, right? So what is Nick busy with? What is Anita busy with? So they create those celebration moments, and we can see, the things that they've achieved. But it's also a sense of accomplishment for themselves. But also, as a company as a whole, everyone has visibility on that accomplishment.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.